Pamela from the Sage Family Adventures, and today is declutter and sorting out day, guys. So I'll show you what it looks like for now, and then later I will show you what did I do and what's going on and after all the things that I've done. So this is the before picture or before video, guys. So that's it, and I'll show you how I do it, so bear with me. Side. So there it is, and then clothes, guys, clothes, and then we're going here in this side. So I declutter also purses, guys, in my closet or in my son's closet, where I clean and organize my purses, and I sort out the things that I don't use anymore. Because this one, guys, see this, 3 of them are new. This one I used once, this one I bought for my mom, but I don't want them to just sit in the closet. It's much better to send them back in the Philippines, then people will use it. Then this one, it's a bag, but it's reusable, guys. It's good. This one is clothes for the toddler, guys, like 3 years old to 4 years old, something, guys. And then there's toys, guys. It's for a girl, for like my cousin's child. This one for toys for my nephews, and I have one I have a grandson. It's the grandson of my sister, so might well just give that. Then somewhere in here there are like lots of toys. It's in here, guys, in here. So this one is toys, guys. Our son didn't use this anymore, so we decided to give it away. So that's so far what I declutter, guys, and sort out. So that's all for today. And note this one, guys, I started to declutter and organize and sort out 11 o'clock, and then I just finish around 6 o'clock, guys. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you, guys. It's me, Pam. So I'll show you around I declutter, and I'm going to I just show you, and I'm going to sign out now or say goodbye, and see you next time in my next decluttering, organizing and sorting out of stuff, guys. I have lots of series of that. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. And it's me, Pam, from the Sage Family Adventure, saying, remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. God bless everyone. Bye for now.